To Scotland now, and the trial of a man accused of murdering his brother-in-law on a shooting spree in the Isle of Skye has heard the pair stopped speaking after some violence a number of years ago. Finlay MacDonald is accused of killing John MacKinnon, as well as trying to kill his wife and another couple on the same day. The jury has been hearing Mr MacDonald fixated on a number of issues. Our correspondent Connor Gillies has this update from Edinburgh Crown Court.
Well, the quiet, peaceful, tranquil scene on the Isle of Skye was shattered 2 years ago amid this stabbing and shooting spree. Finlay MacDonald is accused of attempting to murder his wife Rowena in front of their 4 children. He's then accused of getting in his car and driving to another location in the peninsula in that part of Scotland, murdering his brother-in-law, shooting him dead, the former soldier John MacKinnon, then driving to another home of another couple on the island and shooting, but not killing, attempting to murder the local osteopath and his wife. Now, this court here behind me in Edinburgh has been hearing testimony, evidence from Rowena MacDonald, the wife of Finlay. And as she was telling the jury here that there had been a breakdown in that relationship between the pair, she'd contacted Women's Aid. She was plotting to try and remove her and her children from that relationship. And on the morning of the attack, she said that Finlay discovered messages on her phone between Rowena and her boss. He became fixated on the issue that she had been having an affair, something that she denied. And it was at that point, she said, he launched a frenzied knife attack on her. She was drenched in blood, staggering outside in the moments during this attack to call 999. And a really powerful piece of testimony, she said that her 2-year-old daughter cradled her head to try and keep her consciousness as the emergency services were on the phone saying, "Mummy, stop it, Mummy, stop it." At this point, she said Finlay was walking back in and out of the house, collecting tools, got in the car and drove off. Now, this jury here in Edinburgh also was told today about an apparent attack in 2013, many years before this incident in 2022, an alleged physical incident with the brother-in-law of Finlay, John MacKinnon. There was an attempt apparently to gouge his eyes out, and afterwards Rowena said that her husband was extremely angry. He was wound up, and the pair never spoke ever again. Some more testimony here about the serious and significant health issues that the accused Finlay MacDonald had been battling over the years. He'd been signed off sick due to a bad back, and he'd went to a local osteopath, a man named John MacKenzie, months before the attack. And Finlay became obsessed with the fact that John had apparently made the situation worse. And he told his wife at the time the jury heard, "I am going to kill him, bloody kill him, for ruining my life." Now, the defence has been cross-examining this witness for the second day in this murder trial around questions about a diagnosis of autism for Finlay MacDonald. Talk of a lack of empathy, fixating on major issues around this apparent affair, fixating on these back issues and fixating about that fight back in 2013. Finlay MacDonald denies all of the charges. He's lodged a special defence of abnormality of the mind, and the trial here in Edinburgh continues.